Hello everyone, and how are you people doing? As you can see, it's an empty pot which I am showing you right now. It is Kare Sensei who is cooking, and I am just doing commentating because of so many. Look at that. That is what you call is maize raw flour. It is raw flour. It means costly ground, and he is adding wheat flour, or it is more finely ground, or it is maida. It is finely ground wheat flour, and then he's adding salt. So what was I saying? I was saying before that I have come back. I have come back because there were so many people who were demanding that I come back and do commentary for these cooking videos as well, because. And yes, somebody is just tapping me on my shoulder, and they said it is not many people, only one person commented, and I am doing it for that one person. And if everyone likes it, you please comment. It makes me feel very happy. So as you can see, all this mixing up is taking place. He is putting nothing, no measurement, because that is Kare Sensei is going to give you a fine clue, and how to make this a perfect density. Is it called density? I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but anyway, we are not going into the finer points. Look at that finer points of English. Look at that, and now he is going to show you how, by just moving his finger. No, he does not like using hands, so moving the spoon across, and it's dropped. That is chaos. That is a mistake. Look at that. When that liquid does not spread, that means it is fine. It is fine to be fried. And you must be wondering, why are all these dishes non-spicy, and it is also very soft? Why do we like this? We like this because it is easy on our teeth. When we were young, we did not take care of our teeth, and that is why we have to eat soft foods. And soft foods also is easy to digest. And because we like doing gym, we like doing bodybuilding and staying fit. That is why soft food, it means it is already easy to be digested by the stomach. You people have to understand this. And that spicy food, how will anyone's stomach like spicy food? Like I have always said that, look at that, miraculous, it has just flipped itself over. But like I have always said that, to get big and strong, you need to have soft food, easy for stomach to digest, and also you need to have protein, enough of carbs for the energy, enough. And what was I saying before? I suddenly just totally missed the plot, but I remember what I was saying. Easy for your stomach. Why that spicy food? Some stomachs, I'm telling you, Indian stomachs, they have evolved to be able to digest, and because that, what is it called, capsaicin in that spice, that is very important for growth in human body, but not so much as like you have a vada pav. Should I make vada pav? No, that is, should Kare Sensei? No, Kare Sensei won't make my vada pav. But coming up is something even more delicious, which you will find out soon. But I am talking about this. Look at this, soft. Why do you need to have it? And it takes so long. It takes so long to make a proper roti or an Indian bread. Sometimes when you have to put a loaf of bread in the oven, it takes a long time. But then you have to make a wheat roti. You have to make a maida roti. You have to make a naan or a whatever it is. You have to do all that. You have to do all that with that rolling pin. It is called latna in Marathi. You have to roll it with a rolling pin. It takes so long, but this way it is so simple, straightforward. Just a little bit of oil. You can put oil, salt, butter. You can do it. But as a sneak peek into, my mother used to make that gadia chapole of folded Indian polis. Hopefully soon I will bring that to you through Kare Sensei. Hope you enjoyed it. Salagatle.